I lost my father
So sorry.
when I was in 8th class. I came back my home after the exam, and when I came back and I saw निकाल दिया just shout
टीचर
out.
को निकाल दिया गया?
Yeah,
Are you
said
sure?
that, yeah, I'm damn sure.
देखो यार मेरा
Her
करियर
name is
है.
her name. Yeah.
And you are an independent, by the way. She's an independent. She's earning for her own self. So that's a good thing. लड़के मेल टीचर को अच्छे ही नहीं लगते हैं. मैं एक चैलेंज देता हूँ. You have to speak good and finest English. Now let's see you take this challenge or you go to Kher.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Aishwarya Nigam. I'm from UP. So today I am sharing my childhood memory. Most of people were cried while going to school, but I never cried because whenever I go to school,
I used to go to school.
Whenever I
जब
used to
go school जाया करती थी.
I take 1 rupees.
I took
1 rupees from my father. If they never gave me,
Father is one.
yeah, if he never gave me, then I never
Went to school.
step
out of home.
Step out of home. So he said, you are very greedy person.
You are very naughty, very stubborn.
Yeah, very stubborn person. And one of my other story, I'm one of the favorite student in my class because everyone.
You are.
I am.
I was.
I was. Sorry, I was. Please, Miss Munir.
No problem. हो जाएगा सब कुछ. No problem.
No, I'm not a best. I was not a best student. I just a favorite student from
Of my teachers.
Of my teachers because everyone said you all look very cute. So they never bitten me. They never bitten me. And most of students jealous me because they said, they said ki why teachers never beat you. And one time my teacher, one of my maths teacher beat me and I start crying. And after that one of my friend go to the principal, went to the principal and complained that कि उसने ऐसे टीचर ने ऐसे मारा and टीचर को निकाल दिया.
टीचर को निकाल दिया गया?
Yeah,
Are you
said
sure?
that, yeah, I'm damn sure.
देखो यार मेरा करियर
Her name is
right.
Her name
My
is
career is
Rashmi.
in danger. So Aishwarya is telling her childhood memories, right? She is so excited and she is telling the best memories of her life.
Yes.
Yeah? Come on, tell some more memories.
In childhood, I like to do dance.
Okay.
Just because of the dance, I go to school. I went to school, and
She's a very good dancer, by the way.
okay.
We have also good dancers, The best dancer we have seen. Right? I want to know the worst moment of your childhood.
I lost my father
So sorry.
when I was in 8th class. I came back my home after the exam, and when I came back and I saw. I have no idea about that. What was going on. No one told me what happened with my father. And when I came back, I saw everyone are crying. Everyone was crying, and I totally lost my mind. What I do after that? So it was my worst memory in my life.
I understand that.
After some time, I lost my mother as well. So.
No problem, but you are powerful, right? You have to be powerful. You have to be powerful because you're stronger, right? You're living in Delhi.
Yeah.
And you are an independent, by the way. She's an independent. She's earning for her own self. So that's a good thing. It happens, right? So there are two lines कि कोई आए कोई जाए ये तमाशा क्या है कुछ समझ में नहीं आता कि ये दुनिया क्या है. So somebody, anyway, I want to ask you the happiest moment of your childhood. Now let's convert.
I'm a very emotional person, so I can't say if something is happiness moment in my life. Yes, when I got my job, that was a very happiest moment for me, because it just for surprising for me, because
There were 50.
there were 50 candidates for a one role.
Okay.
Yes.
And you got selected.
Yeah, I don't know how I got selected.
It was your blessings of your parents actually, by the way. Right?
So even it was my first interview in Cognizant, and I got selected. I'm very thankful to my TL. His name is Samir. Yeah,
Samir.
yes, Samir.
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 Ajay, Samir. I
Yes.
thought Samir.
So I'm really very thankful for him. That's it. This is my one
That's
of
a very
the
good
happiest
thing.
moments.
Any question you'd like to raise?
He just ignored me,
Oh my God, yes.
making annoying faces and just ignored me.
No, he was fired from the school just because you were so cute, or just
I
because
cried so much, and
You-
after the crying, I suffering fever.
that's why.
That's why.
I think it was a dangerous beat.
Yeah, they beat me in my hand, so chale nikle the called.
Ajay, you got some blisters.
Yeah, blistered, and they beat on.
Oh, the blisters.
Yes.
And after that, that teacher got blisters. लड़के मेल टीचर को अच्छे ही नहीं लगते हैं। वो बेचारे कितने भी क्यूट हो, मासूम सी आंखें हो, हाँ कितने गोरे हो, कितने प्यारे बाल वगैरह हो, लगेंगी लड़कियां अच्छी। अब इस वजह से लड़कों को पीट दो, है ना?
In the same job which you cracked at that time,
Yes, I am the
you
same
are
job.
from how many years?
It's 6 years.
6 years, same job.
Great.
You told me that time I was good in study. What is your percentage in class?
No, I'm not said that I'm good in study.
She was cute in school.
Yeah.
I just said one of the cutest student.
बहुत अच्छे महफूज, आई लाइक। और आज मैं एक चैलेंज देता हूँ, यू हैव टू स्पीक गुड एंड फाइनेस्ट इंग्लिश। नाउ लेट्स सी, यू टेक दिस चैलेंज और यू गो टू खेत। ओके, कम ऑन। ओके।